In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to copy your Reddit profile link. If you need to share your Reddit profile with someone, maybe for networking, community participation, or simply to help someone find your account, the good news is that it only takes a moment once you know where to look. I'll walk you through the process clearly so you can follow along without any confusion. First, go to your Reddit home dashboard. This is the main Reddit page you see after signing in. Make sure you're logged into the correct account before moving forward, especially if you use more than one Reddit profile. Starting from the home dashboard helps make the rest of the process quick and straightforward. Once you're on the home screen, look to the top right corner and click on your profile icon. This will open your account menu. If you're using Reddit on a desktop browser, this area is usually easy to spot, and it gives you access to the profile options connected to your account. After that, click on View Profile. This will take you directly to your public Reddit profile page, which is the page other people can visit to see your posts, comments, and profile information, depending on your settings. It's important to be on this page because this is where your personal Reddit profile link is located. Now that you're on your profile page, you can copy your Reddit profile link. One way to do this is by clicking the share icon on the profile page, if that option is available on your version of Reddit. This usually gives you a quick way to copy the link directly. If you don't see the share icon, or if you prefer a manual method, you can simply go to your browser's address bar at the top of the screen, highlight the full URL, and copy it. That address is your Reddit profile link. The format usually looks like this: https://www.reddit.com/user, your username. When copying the link manually, make sure you copy the entire address so the person receiving it can open your profile without any issues. If you want, you can also paste the link into a note or message first, just to double check that it looks complete before sharing it. And that's it. Once you've copied the link, you're ready to paste and share your Reddit profile anywhere you need. It's a simple process, and now you know exactly where to find it every time.